Hey guys, how's it going? Nas here. Just gonna do another review. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. I am extremely excited about this, man. Um, this is a new to me brand. It's BBR Models. This is Maserati MC20. Um, let's see. It looks like it's licensed. Maserati is a registered trademark under license from Maserati. So there you go. BBR model. I am exploring this as at the same time as you are. This is really cool, and just gonna take my time with this one. All right. So, by the way, I got this from Colorado Diecast. Not sponsored in any way. I just had a really good experience with them on Whatnot. So check them out if you wish. So there you go. Shout out if you're watching, Barry. Thank you for being awesome, and thank you for like straight up. I got some good deals. Like I stole these. So yeah. All right. Let's get this puppy opened up and enjoy it. Oh, look at that. Couldn't even see that behind the plastic. There's your little holographic situation right there. Look at that. This is very licensed. So yeah, I got this for like 20 or less. He had like 4 of these, and some other guys got them for a lot more than me. I guess I just got lucky when it was my turn to bid. But yeah, there you go, Maserati. If you need to scan that, go nuts with it. So yeah, all right. Okay. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Whoa, I did not realize that was like a pearlescent color. That's one of my favorite colors, man. There you go. There's your tube. Very nice packaging. Got perfect little indentations here for fingers. Although my fingers are not are not grasping that. So let's give it a little persuasion here. All right, we'll be all right. There we go. There it is in its packaging. Wow. I might have to turn down the lighting in here because wow. Ooh, I definitely should have been wearing my gloves, man. This thing is like, this feels quality. Like, that's obviously a metal base. BBR, made in China, of course. What isn't? I really hope, let's see. There we go. Okay, wait a minute. Let's, okay, guys. Had to adjust the camera a little bit because, wow. So first of all, again, hopefully you're seeing the beautiful, like, there's almost like purples and blues. It's like very pearl, very pearl. Oop, gotta be careful there. This is very high quality. I am so freaking impressed with this. Except for that headlight. Unless, nah. Let's see. Is there a headlight inside of this thing? No, from the looks of it, no. So, it looks like we're missing a headlight, so that's a bummer. But, that's too bad. Let me just double check, just to make sure. It is a small thing. Yeah, so that's the thing. So I'll definitely, well, it's not like it's not Barry's fault from Colorado diecast because it was sealed. So sadly BBR, you've done and messed up, because I was so impressed with this thing up until I noticed that that headlight was missing. So that's kind of too bad. And so from the looks of this headlight here, it looks like, see, like there's glue smeared on there. So whoever was assembling this one, must have had to go home. Oh man, it's all right though. This is really cool. Regardless, I'll figure something out with it. This is only my second Maserati casting in my collection. Let's see, are the rear lights just painted on? Can't really tell. Let's see. Not sure. I think the rear lights are painted on. From the looks of it. Yeah. But then all this other stuff on there is very nicely detailed. Let's see. We'll definitely take this bad boy apart to see what's going on. Look at that. Yeah, wow. The MC20 is actually legible on that little thing. Man, what a bummer that, you know, that the headlight's missing. And that the other one's smeared. Oh man, the rear view mirrors are plastic, they're not rubber. This thing was perfect, except for this. Damn. Okay. Come on, BBR. I was so excited for this. But anyway, so nothing else really opens. The paint is great. I love the, wow, there's actually like, you can feel texture on the carbon fiber. Little Maserati symbol right there. And the wheels are very nice. They are rubber. Okay. So yeah, you can see the engine in there peekabooing a little bit. Yeah, so displayed this way, which pretty much in my display case, they're facing this way, so only I know and you. So yeah, this is beautiful. I'll reach out to Colorado Diecast, just let them know. Maybe they can talk to their distributor and work something out for me. But it's not Colorado Diecast's fault, like I said. This is something that BBR messed up on. A little quality control issue. I did open this in front of you guys. There's, you know, nothing right here on my show here. Yeah, see, like, there's literally nothing here. I would see it if it fell out. Definitely did not. Alright, so. Alright, well, there you go, guys. Hopefully this was something you found interesting. Hopefully you enjoyed watching my disappointment in this missing headlight, because this thing's beautiful, bro. Very nice casting. Everything's done very well. So yeah, really cool car. Alright. Cool. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this once again. And if anything, down the road, I'll try to update you on if this was resolved in any way, or if I'm just stuck with this. You know, I could just say that, hey, it's a race car, so that's where they put the air intake. So yeah. Alright, man, you guys just watched the review of this. That's what it looks like with the headlight. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.